Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to our presentation on prepositions. Today we will explore what they are and how to use them effectively. Prepositions are essential for linking words and indicating relationships. For example, the word on shows location. Prepositions are categorized into three main types: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. Prepositions of place indicates the location of something. For example, the book is under the table. So under is showing the position or location. Preposition of time indicates when something happens. For example, we will meet after lunch. So when we are going to meet after lunch. So after is a preposition of time. Prepositions of direction indicates the direction of movement. For example, she walked toward the park. So where? Toward the park. So the word toward is the preposition of direction. Familiarizing yourself with common prepositions will help improve your fluency. For example, at and on, we know that they are used for place and time. To and from, direction. About and with, relationship. For example, I will meet you at the cafe on Saturday in the morning. Phrases formed with prepositions often carry specific meanings, enhancing our communication. For example, in front of and out of. The car is parked in front of the house. She ran out of the room. Be mindful of common mistakes with prepositions to avoid confusion in your writing. For example, using the wrong prepositions or overusing prepositions. She is good in math. This is not a correct sentence. The correct sentence is she is good at math. Or where is it at? This is not a correct sentence. Only where is it is enough. Let's test your knowledge with a quick exercise. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Number 1, the dog is hiding dash the couch. What is the correct answer? Number 2, we will travel dash France in summer. You can find the answers here. The dog is hiding under the couch. We will travel to France in summer. Prepositions are essential for creating clear and meaningful sentences. Understanding their types and correct usage can enhance your writing and speaking skills. That's it for today. Stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.